How to clean a PlayStation 1. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take out the 6 screws that are on the bottom, the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now flip it over, and then start taking off the top of it. Now, the top may have dust on it, so blow it out a little bit. I already cleaned this one, but there is usually a little bit of dust inside of it. Just get all the dust loose inside of it. Okay, after you did that, take your compressed air and blow that out. Okay, now you can put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the end of a Q-tip and go around the eye, very gently. Okay, now we can reassemble it. You can also take some compressed air and shoot it around all the ports, and clean inside the disk drive. I hope this video helped. Bye for now.